I found probably the greatest campground in all of Wyoming. Nature's little hidden gems, and the advantage is hardly anybody knows that this place is here. Come on in. Babbling brooks. Quiet campsites. Fresh water. Fresh, clean mountain water means the best coffee. And the best crapper! Calling this place the Six Pack because there's really only 6 camping places. And because it takes almost 2 hours to get out here, not many people know about it. In fact, you gotta sign a non-disclosure agreement, so you can't tell the tourists from outside of the state where this place is. So if you want to find it for yourself, it's located at